Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by assessing the damage to your WordPress site calmly and systematically. Check recent changes, error messages, and the date of the last successful backup. Verify whether the site returns a specific error, white screen, or slow loading. Log into the hosting control panel and make a fresh copy of site files. Document any plugin or theme updates that occurred before the problem started. Note whether DNS or SSL changes were made recently on the domain registrar. This initial assessment guides safe next steps and limits further damage. Next, restore files and the database from your most recent clean backup. Restore the most recent clean backup of site files and the database. If no backup exists, export the database and copy WP content manually from a healthy staging site. Replace corrupted core files with a fresh WordPress download and the same version number. Use FTP or the hosting file manager to upload and set correct file permissions. Run a database repair via WP-admin or WP-CLI if tables report errors. Confirm that the site loads and that content appears correctly. After the site runs again, fix the root causes and secure your installation. Disable all plugins and switch to a default theme to isolate the issue, and then re-enable one by one. Update WordPress, themes, and plugins to current versions after testing updates in a staging environment. Reinstall or replace any compromised plugins with trusted alternatives. Harden security by changing all admin passwords and enabling two-factor authentication on user accounts. Schedule automated daily backups and monitor logs to prevent future outages or compromises.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.